Hi, let's take a look at the chrysalids and what I think you should be paying attention to in each and every chapter related to the theme and the characteristics of a dystopia, utopian, young adult uh, fiction book. So, chapter one, I'm going to try and keep this brief to about 2.5 minutes each time. So, the first thing that I think you need to pay attention to is this a couple of vocabulary words unique to the book. The mention of tribulation on page 5 is very important. What is tribulation? What does it mean? When is it brought up? What were its consequences? And what is that created in the world that we're living in now? And with that, of course, goes the old people. Who are the old people? What did they do? Why are they so important? Why aren't they important? Um, so on and so forth. So tribulation and old people, anytime you see them, really should be something that you're paying attention to and related to the story. Uh, Sophie, of course, on page 7, we see that she is completely a stranger to David. She is also so very excited to be having fun with him, and he finds that interesting uh, when they're sliding down the hill. Again, she says, panting as she ran back up the hill to do it. And then when she gets her foot stuck on page 8, she says many times, no, I mustn't, not ever, about taking off her shoe. She understands the importance of that. And of course, that leads to some conflict and controversy in David's head. And we have the idea of, and God created on pages 10 and 11. I would pay attention to that section, what it means about the image of God, as well as that discussion with Mrs. Wender on pages 10 and 11. We're getting an idea of the society that surrounds David, and this is one of the characteristics that you need to be able to talk about later. We also get a definition of man on page 13. It is a blasphemy, David points out in there. And probably the final thing is on page 14 when David talks about the ways of the world. What does that mean, and how does that relate to what we're looking at in the story? So there you go. There's the first ideas of the book and what you should be paying attention to. I hope this is helpful.